Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet top and blouse designs for girls and women. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to your pupil in it. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy the market many ideas from my videos. Video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with your friends today, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like it. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel, so you guys can see different designs in a different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. So friends, today's video is amazing. It has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.